Magic Formula 1. Awareness of your goal is keeping the end in mind. One of the best ways to determine your life goal is to write them. A goal is a goal only when it is written. Thinking about your goal with no concrete action plan will drift your mind and the focus is lost. Set your goals high if you want to go beyond mediocrity and reach meritocracy. So now, identify what you love doing and think deeply where you would like to be in 5 years, 10 years and 15 years time. Magic Formula 2. Set precise goals. One must set precise goals with deadlines and action plan. When you're aware of what your goals are, your days take on a new meaning. You start living with tremendous passion and focus. Write your goals with deadline and develop plan of action. Break your big goals into smaller ones to make you feel comfortable and focused. It also becomes manageable and enjoyable. Start with smaller goals, as small victories lead to big ones. Magic Formula number 3. Let your goals dominate your thoughts. A very powerful technique is to recite your goals aloud. Take a few minutes of your time every day to visualize your goal and picture the fun and happiness you will see when the goal has been successfully achieved. Winners train their mind to focus on their goals. Sir Isaac Newton was once asked what was the key to his success. He replied, he thought of nothing else other than the goal. Bruce Lee, the world-renowned martial artist, said, as you think, so shall you become. He was acknowledging the power of the human mind to affect behavior. He was just as enthusiastic about training the mind as was about training the body. Magic Formula number 4. Self-motivation. One of the main reasons for not achieving goals is that we let them slip by because other more pressing responsibilities crop up. Self-motivation helps to reach your goal no matter how challenging they are. Self-motivation provides the strength to complete a given task without giving up. Magic Formula number 5. Support from family and friends. Sharing your goals with your family and friends would put pressure on you to focus on the goal. They would also give you the necessary guidance to keep you on track. Having a support network will keep you focused, motivated and inspired. Magic Formula number 6. Rule 21. The power of persistence. It's like practicing a particular routine at a specific time regularly for 21 days. This practice leads to an excellent chance of making it into a habit. This habit could be like discipline of daily walk, yoga or meditation. Great acts are performed not through strength but by perseverance. Magic Formula number 7. Rewarding and appreciating yourself. Learn to enjoy your journey and reward yourself even for achievement of the smallest goal. Small victories bring large victories. Do not be harsh on yourself if you do not achieve the goal. Try another approach or strategy by being flexible. Build the attitude of never giving up. Magic formula number 8. Destiny is in your hands. You and you alone are in full control of your destiny. You need to commit to making small sacrifices for the larger good of your life goals. Life will change dramatically once you set your focus on the goal. It makes you feel productive, confident, and happy. The purpose of life is life of purpose. Staying focused with your action plans and keeping yourself motivated helps in manifesting your goals.